out of the garage and running to give you guys a little walk around. In this video we are going to show its very first road test. It's crazy how good this thing looks on camera. But we're getting ready to take it on its first road test at the gas station because, yeah, need gas. Sounds good. Here's some up here. So yeah, it looks good. And we're about to hit the road. Look at that. Alright, we are officially out. Test drive. Gauges are reading. It's burning off like some oil or something, so kind of caused a scene. But that's alright. Reminds me a lot of Ranger's first test drive.
Still haven't shifted.
Yep, haven't shifted yet. Of course, we're in some stop and go traffic, so I'll start up when it's green. Alright, green light.
Nice and wrapping up.
Yeah.
Good job.
Alright.
It's stopping.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about that. That could have been dangerous.
I didn't.
Why not, right? Not sure if you guys are hearing that. It's got a little bit of hop to it. Alright, so we're just...
That's good for scaring people too, you know.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you can hear that through the camera. If you can, that's good. Good footage. So we're just pulling into the gas station here. So far, so good.
I don't know if any of the turn signals work.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Now this, I'm in second.
So, I got pretty distracted when we were driving it. Didn't get any more footage after the gas station, but we just got back from our little test drive here. So far, so good. It's got some power to it. I think I filmed some of the hop that it has, which is pretty funny. So things that I think need to be a little bit worked out with it. First, the tires might be a little bit low on pressure. It sounds a little weird. Second, the water temperature was getting, well, it kept increasing, and eventually got over 200. So we actually added coolant to it, which, believe it or not, there was none in. There's none in the fill here, so.
Reservoir. I'm gonna overfill it.
Reservoir.
Should take it.
So, everything else, engine-wise, good. We have one leak. Not gonna hide anything from you guys. From our new custom drive shaft, seal's leaking a little bit, so.
That's your Dana?
Yep. I forgot about that. I see it dripping right there. Point. Right there. But again, here's our Dana 44. In case you forgot that this truck is Dana 44 swapped. Engine looking good. So, oh, another thing is, we weren't sure if the front differential gearing was the same as the rear. We put it in 4-wheel drive, and it worked. Nothing snapped or bunked or anything like that. So far, so good. It's burning off like oil or something from somewhere, but yeah. Other than that, it's ready to go. A few holes to chase in the interior, but other than that, ready to be daily driven. Daily driver.
By a dumbbell.
Yep. brakes work, which I'm really surprised at, because I'm not a fan of drum brakes, and I actually had to rebuild the entire drum brake system, and they're working good, so happy about that. If you're wondering what's next up for Flareside, I feel like I just made this video for Ranger, but if you're wondering what's next for Flareside, there's definitely more coming soon. Maybe some wider tires, wider wheels. Let me know what you guys want on it. It's 15 by 14 Barts. We'll keep it a little more simple with like a 15 by 12 wheel on a 12.5 tire. Let me know. Either way, anything wider than this, I think, will be an upgrade, because they're tall. Don't get me wrong, they look good, but I think with a little bit of a wider tire, maybe just a slight bit of poke from the fender, it'll look a whole lot more mean. So thanks for watching. More videos on Flareside is coming soon. And also, when we pulled this truck out today, the Mustang got pulled into the garage. So what we have coming for it is going to be delivered Tuesday, and we'll start on that next weekend, so get ready for a video for that. Also, a lot of people comment looking for 7.3 content. 7.3 is still doing fine, and some big upgrades coming soon for it, so stay tuned and subscribe, and like this video. Thanks.